So here's a question we get a lot from our customers. How often should I change the water and abrasive in my vapor blasting machine? Well, in this video, we're going to answer that question. When you are vapor blasting a greasy and dirty application, all the contaminants from the part will spoil the water, creating bacteria, fungi, and even an odor. So if you want your vapor blasting machine to be in tip-top shape, you need to change the water. You can use antibacterial and antimicrobial solutions to help the problem. However, this is not the end-all be-all solution. We recommend that you should change your water every 2 weeks. I know this sounds like a chore, but this will keep your vapor blaster healthy, clean, and safe. On each machine, we provide you with 3 drain-off valves. The middle one will dump all your water. You need to let the media settle down into the bottom of your machine for a few minutes. Then you open the valve, dump all the water, and change it out for fresh water. You also need to change the water in your closed loop system because you don't want dirty water pumping back into your system. As for changing your abrasive, it really depends on how often you use the machine. If you use it every day, you should change it every 3 to 4 weeks. But if you don't use it, your media can last longer and you don't need to change it. So to recap, you should change the water every 2 weeks and the abrasive every 4 weeks. For more information, call our sales team at 828-202-5563. You can also visit our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.